Home security isn't always about smart cameras and fancy tech. Sometimes it's just about peace of mind when you're away or asleep. Alarm systems might not be the flashiest things to shop for, but over time may become one of the smartest investments for keeping your home safe. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 home alarm systems, covering options that are simple to install, easy to use, and reliable for homes big and small. Whether you're on a budget or looking for full coverage, there's something here for you. Links to all products are in the description. Number 6. Cove Smart Security System. If you're renting or just dipping your toes into home security for the first time, Cove is a great place to start. It's a system that doesn't require drilling, tools, or a long-term contract. Just peel, stick, and go. Everything's designed with simplicity in mind, and that's what makes it stand out. The core setup includes entry sensors, motion detectors, and a sleek touchscreen panel that actually walks you through installation. No confusing manuals, no tech calls. You could be up and running in under 30 minutes. It also supports optional extras like indoor cameras, environmental sensors, and medical alert buttons if you want to expand later. Monitoring is handled through a system called Rapid SOS, which sends data straight to 911 centers, not to some third-party call center that puts you on hold. The monitoring plans start at about $18 a month, which is one of the lowest for pro monitoring out there. You don't need a landline either. It connects over cellular, so you're covered even if the power goes out. What we liked most was how straightforward everything felt. The mobile app is clean, the alerts show up fast, and the touchscreen panel looks modern and is simple to navigate. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with features you'll never use. That said, you won't find Alexa or Google Assistant support here, and it doesn't integrate with other smart home gear the way some systems do. If you're looking to control your thermostat or lights from the same app, Cove won't be the right match. But if all you want is reliable protection that works right out of the box, Cove nails it. No nonsense, no confusion, just a system that does its job. Number 5. Frontpoint Safe Home Starter Kit. If you're looking for a system that's DIY but still feels like it came from a pro, Frontpoint checks a lot of boxes. It's a great fit for homeowners who want something reliable, customizable, and smart home ready without giving up strong support. The starter kit comes with the basics: essential hub, keypad, motion sensor, and a few entry sensors. Setup is straightforward. Just peel, stick, and connect through the app. It's a wireless system that runs on 100% cellular monitoring, so there's no need for a landline or Wi-Fi to stay protected. What really makes Frontpoint stand out is its smart home compatibility. It integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and a wide range of Z-Wave devices. That means you can connect it to things like smart locks, lights, and even thermostats, all managed from the app or with voice control. Automation is solid too. You can set the system to arm itself when you leave or disarm when you return. The app itself is quick and responsive. It gives you real-time alerts, activity history, and even lets you check in on connected smart devices from one place. Updates are done over the air, so there's no need to schedule visits or mess with firmware manually. But it's not the cheapest system around. Monitoring starts at around $50 per month, and if you decide to add cameras or extra sensors, the upfront equipment cost can add up fast. Still, for the features and reliability, many feel it's worth it. If you want a system that plays nicely with the rest of your smart home and offers solid customer support without locking you into messy wiring or contracts, Frontpoint is a strong choice, flexible, smart, and dependable. Number 4. A DT Command Smart Security Kit. If you've got a larger home or a busy household and you just want the pros to handle everything from setup to support, a DT makes a solid case. It's a full-service system from one of the most recognizable names in home security, and with that name comes a long track record of reliability. The Command Smart Security Kit includes a modern touchscreen control panel, motion and entry sensors, and an HD indoor camera. A technician comes to your home to install everything for you, so there's no guessing, no fiddling with tools, and no second guessing whether you did it right. His system plays well with Alexa, Google Assistant, and select Z-Wave smart devices if you can connect things like smart locks and thermostats if you want to bring everything under one roof. The panel even lets you view live camera feeds and control connected smart devices right from the screen. It's clean, easy to use, and quick to respond. What stands out with a DT, though, is its history. They've been in the business for over 145 years, and it shows. Their 24/7 monitoring is fast and consistent, with trained professionals responding when an alert is triggered, not just automated text or app push notifications. There are a few trade-offs. Contracts are long, usually 3 years, and monthly costs can be high depending on what features and extras you choose. It's also not ideal for renters since pro installation means drilling and hardware that's not easily transferable. But if you're looking for a system that you can install once and not think about again, backed by nationwide support and a name you know, a DT is one of the safest bets. Hands-off, dependable, and built to scale with your home. Number 3. Vivint Smart Home Security System. If you like your tech all in one place, security, cameras, thermostat, even your garage door, Vivant makes it all work together in a way that actually feels smart. This is the kind of system that's built for people who want full control from a single app and don't mind paying for the convenience. Vivint comes with professional installation, so someone shows up, sets everything up for you, and walks you through how it all works. You get a doorbell cam, smart locks, motion sensors, a touchscreen control panel, and the option to add things like garage door openers or extra outdoor cameras. Everything is tied together in the Vivint app, which works with both Alexa and Google Assistant. The standout here is how seamless the app experience is. You can check your doorbell camera, unlock the front door, turn on lights, or disarm the system, all without switching between apps or dashboards. It's quick, smooth, and designed to work even when you're not home. Cameras stream in 1080p with night vision and smart detection features, so you can tell if it's a person, a pet, or just movement. The system is responsive and the notifications are fast. It genuinely feels like the smart home you see in commercials, minus the clunky setup. But that level of integration does come with a few catches. You're looking at long contracts, often between 3 to 5 years, and the upfront equipment cost can be high. It's also not ideal for renters, since it requires professional installation and is meant to stay in place long-term. If you want a home security system that works with the rest of your smart gear and you're okay committing to a long-term setup, Vivint delivers. It's polished, powerful, and does the thinking for you. Number 2. Ring Alarm 8-Piece Kit, 2nd Gen. If you're already using Alexa or own a Ring doorbell or camera, this system just makes sense. The Ring Alarm 8-Piece Kit is one of the easiest DIY options out there, and it fits perfectly into the Ring ecosystem. No weird compatibility issues, no learning curve. This kit comes with a base station, a keypad, a range extender, 1 motion detector, and 4 contact sensors for doors or windows. That's enough to get full coverage on a small to medium-sized home or apartment, and adding more sensors later is just as easy. Setup is fast, peel, stick, plug in, and connect through the Ring app. You don't need tools or any kind of drilling, which makes this a great pick for renters or anyone who wants to avoid permanent installation. The app itself is clean and snappy. Everything's laid out in a way that's easy to understand, and Ring keeps pushing updates that actually improve the experience. If you sign up for the Ring Protect Plus plan, you get 24/7 professional monitoring and cellular backup for $20 a month, a fair price considering the features. What we liked most was how tightly integrated the whole system is. The doorbell, the cameras, the alarm, it all feels like one system instead of a bunch of different pieces patched together. You can check feeds, arm the alarm, and get alerts all from one app. Downsides, it doesn't support Google Home, and automation outside the Ring and Alexa world is limited. So if you're looking to connect it to a thermostat or smart plugs from another brand, you may hit some walls. But for simplicity, ease of use, and compatibility with Amazon devices, Ring is a standout, especially if you're already an ecosystem. Number 1. SimpliSafe 8-Piece Wireless Home Security System. If you're looking for something flexible, reliable, and easy to set up without jumping through a ton of hoops, SimpliSafe hits a really solid middle ground. It works well for apartments, houses, and just about any space where you want protection, without signing a long-term contract. This 8-piece kit includes a base station, a keypad, a motion detector, a panic button, and entry sensors for your doors or windows. Setup takes around 30 minutes and everything is wireless. No drilling, no tools, no stress. Once it's up, it just works. SimpliSafe offers 24/7 professional monitoring starting at $18 a month or $28 if you want out control, alerts, and video support. There are no contracts, so you can stop or start anytime. And with both Wi-Fi and cellular backup built in, you're still covered even if one connection fails. The system plays nicely with Alexa and Google Assistant, letting you arm or disarm your setup with voice commands. The app is fast, easy to navigate, and sends out instant alerts, with quick options to call police or fire if something goes wrong. One thing that really stood out, the siren. It's loud, 95 decibels, and it triggers immediately when a breach is detected. It's enough to startle anyone nearby and get attention fast. The hardware itself also feels premium with a clean, modern design that doesn't look out of place in any room. There are a couple of small drawbacks. It doesn't support as many third-party smart devices as some of the other systems, and it doesn't come with an outdoor camera by default. That's a separate purchase. But for a system that's easy to install, contract-free, and built with flexibility in mind, SimpliSafe is hard to beat. It just works. No pressure, no nonsense. So those were our top picks for home alarm systems, from budget-friendly basics to full-featured setups with smart home integration. If you're still deciding, it might be worth rewatching to see which one fits your space, lifestyle, and budget best. Whether you're protecting a small apartment or a large family home, there's an option here that gets the job done. All the links to the products we mentioned are down in the description if you want to check out current pricing or details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos.